So my original plan for leaving Stewart was to carry on down the Cassia Highway and then head east, which would take me eventually down through Whistler and then down into Vancouver. But because of that day I had cycling in the smoke from the fires, I've decided to change my route to just avoid any chance of hitting fires again. So there's a few reasons why I think this route's going to be a lot better. The first is that I get to go down the Nass Valley here, which will take me through the lava fields, which I've been told are incredible. And then once I'm in Prince Rupert, I have the option now to spend a week in Haida Gwaii, which I've been told is amazing, and apparently there's just the friendliest people ever living there. And then the ferry ride itself to Vancouver Island, I've been told is unbelievable. You get to see orcas, humpback whales, eagles, and just beautiful scenery. And then it also means I get to explore the north side of Vancouver Island, which again is supposed to be amazing. So I think despite that day of cycling in the smoke obviously being a bad thing, it's led to something very good, because I think this route is going to be so much better. There's just one more thing I need to do before I leave Stewart. Let's go out to the Pacific Ocean and get some lunch.
Doing this by hand? Fuck
There's a lot of weight to it already.
Well, the pound itself is 45 pounds, just the drop itself. But the way you're pulling it is making me horny. Like there's something in there. And it's empty.
Is it empty?
What a waste of time.
What am I talking about?
That's what we get.
Look at the prawns. Look how big they are.
What the frick? Can I hold one? What?
Yeah.
You want to hold one?
They live 3 years. First year is a juvenile, second year is a male, third year is a female.
I like holding tiny ones. Can
Oh, you like the
Here, this is the big one. Hold that.
No, it's...
You got 20 feet left. That's that number.
Yeah, no, I'm not going to eat it. No, what happened yesterday? It gave me a really...
They can't get out.
They can't get out.
They can't get out. We throw them back.
It's a female crab.
Need a fish?
And this is a sun starfish.
Yeah.
Wow.
What you do is you stick your finger right in there.
Yeah.
I'm going to get a picture. It's...
I didn't touch one.
So my plan for today was actually to hitchhike back up to Mezidin Lake, so I didn't have to cycle the same road twice. And just by chance, the guy that came on the boat with us today, he was actually heading up here to his family's cabin. And so I just ended up getting a ride with him, and now he's invited me to come camp by his cabin, and they've fed me and given me beer, and so now I'm spending the night here in this just unbelievably beautiful lake. It's just amazing how generous Canadians are. Also on the drive here, there was a grizzly bear by the side of the road, so because we were in a car, we were able to pull up to it and I got to watch it from about 2 or 3 meters away, which is such a treat because normally I have to keep my distance and try and scare them off before I get any closer. So being able to watch a grizzly bear that close was just unbelievable.
The thing like we grew up was Rettle.
You guys changed everything. Everything changed
Riddle.
at the start with the R.
Rettle down.
Apple was apple.
Remember that?
Orange was orange.
That was for a long time. It's stupid.
Stupid. With the stage just
Everybody's
funny.
days were
And this, or whatever.
That was one of the vibes, right?
We both lie silent, stealing the though we both lie close together, feel miles apart inside.
Did you say Rob Levels?
Something I said, something I did, did my words not come out right?
I didn't manage to capture it on camera, but I've just seen a Komodo bear. I cannot believe it. I wasn't expecting to see one already. It's absolutely beautiful. If you don't know, the Komodo bear is a white grizzly bear. It's also known as the spirit bear, and I believe it's sacred to the indigenous people. Absolutely beautiful. I can't believe I didn't get it on camera.
Just like every cowboy sings a sad song. Every rose has its own.
Just spotted something by the side of the road, which might be of interest. Oh, that's a shame. If I clean that up, that could look kind of cool on the opposite side to my Alaska one.
But I wonder, does he know? Has he ever felt like this? And I know that you'll be here right now if I could let you know somehow. I guess every rose has its own, just like every night has its dawn, just like every cowboy.
There's so many bears here. I literally saw one about 30 seconds ago, and then another one about 2 minutes before that. It's insane. They're all black bears as well.
Though it's been a while now, I can still feel so much pain. Like the night that
Well, by the looks of it, I've got the whole of Dragon Lake to myself. There's no one else here. There was a sign at the entrance though saying bear in the area, so maybe that's why I'm the only one here. The only one stupid enough.
Don't know what to say. Instead of making love,
I reckon I might keep it. It's kind of cool.
ways. Now I hear you found someone new that I never meant that much to you. Hear that tears me up inside and feel it cuts like a knife against the road.
On the road again.
As its own, just like
I think I'm here. This looks like it might be the lava beds.
just like every cowboy sings a sad song. Every rose has its own.
Good job.
Shivering all night through. My girl, where will you go? I'm going where the cold wind blows. In the pines where the sun won't ever shine. Shivering all night through. Just about a mile from here. His head was found in a driving wheel. Dead his body never was found. My girl don't lie to me. Really will see that. Lines where the sun will shine, shivers all night. Girl, don't lie to me. Didn't when did you see last night? In the pines where the sun will never shine. Shivers all night through. My girl, where will you go? I'm going where the cold wind blows. In the pines.
So I'm about 10 miles out of Terrace now, where I'm going to be staying with a Warm Showers host, which means a bed for the first time in about 3 weeks. I am going to sleep good tonight. There's also some talk of a sockeye salmon for dinner, so I'm pretty excited. It's always good to see civilization.
guess that's what happens when you forget to throw your rubbish away. At least it wasn't a bear.
Look what I just spotted by the side of the road. I wonder if I can get this on my bike as well. Little Canadian flag, eh? I don't know where I'd put this, but it could be quite cool. I mean, that might work. Or, there we go. Now I'm flying the Canadian flag. So I'm now in Prince Rupert, and in the morning I'm going to be getting the ferry straight across to Haida Gwaii, where I'll hopefully be spending like 5 or 6 days maybe. I'll just see how it goes. And this is actually the first time I've got to watch a proper sunset. It's amazing. So yeah, I'm just by the Pacific Ocean now, just on the other side of that land there, and that's where I'll be heading tomorrow to get to Haida Gwaii.
Though it's been a while now, I can still feel so much pain. Like the knife that cut you, the wound heals, but the scar, that scar remains.